So here we are with the AquaFit design half-gallon water bottle contents, which include a chug lid, the bottle with straw lid installed, and a bottle brush for cleaning. Taking a closer look at the bottle, we have this tag with disclaimer, and it reads avoid dropping, especially with full capacity. And I believe this is because of the material this unit is made of. So if the unit is dropped at full capacity, it may crack. This tag also mentions that the bottle is not dishwasher safe. But a highlight of the AquaFit bottle are its times, milliliter, and ounce markings to help keep you motivated and staying hydrated. This system also features a strap on both lids, which allows you to get most of your fingers in here easily or just a few, as well as a large handle for carrying. And a plus is you can also use this whole unit when it's filled with water as a dumbbell to get in some reps if you are on the go. So let's talk about the lid. Now again, you get two lids with this unit, but we'll talk about the chug lid first. And the nice thing about both these lids is that they lock into place securely, so the lid won't just pop open on the go. It actually requires a little effort to open it, and to close it, we're going to get a secure click. Now these also are leak proof. So you can see on this lid, we have this gasket here. And again, this is the chug lid, which is why we have this large wide opening. And then we have the straw lid, which features the same locking function as the chug unit. Now the difference here is going to be obviously the inclusion of a straw, which is good quality. It's going to be flexible, so it's going to be easy on the teeth, gums, or inside of the mouth. And that means you shouldn't accidentally poke yourself. And it's also comfortable to use. As for the straw and how it's secured in place, it's not easy to move, which is a plus. Now there is a concern. A straw is a huge area of leakage potentially, but the way this lid is designed, it prevents leakage. So we have this line here, which is going to help pinch the straw. And as we close the lid, you can see that the straw is going to fold over and it's going to get pinched between that line and the lid itself, preventing leakage. Now there is another feature here. As you know, when you do suck on a straw, when it's in a bottle, it causes a vacuum. And to prevent that, we do have this hole here, which is going to prevent the vacuum, which will make it easier for you to drink. But because we have a hole there too, we also need a gasket for that hole. So that gasket is going to cover the hole when we close the lid, preventing another potential area of leakage. Filling up the AquaFit bottle is very easy. Simply unscrew the lid and then we'll have this large opening where we can fill the bottle underneath a faucet. Then grab the lid that you want to use and then screw it into place. We've got plenty of threads here and it secures nice and tight, and also filled with water. It's not going to leak. I have another bottle here that's actually filled with water and we have no leakage there.
Yeah.